Hi everyone, Jay here from jaysplainsfood.com with Knives Out Knife Care. Yes, this recipe is sure to make your cooking experience easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Have you ever tried to cut your food and it just gets squished instead of nicely chopped or diced? I'll bet you have. It's no fun, right? This video is all about proper knife care and why it's important. First, the hardware. You'll need your knives, your steel, and your electric knife sharpener. What's a steel, you ask? Let me explain. A knife steel is a long piece of steel that has tiny little ridges or lines in it, and when you run the knife over it like this, it straightens your blade. Basically, one of the reasons your knife gets dull is because it gets microscopic waves in it, and this steel helps correct this. So before sharpening your knife, use the steel to straighten it, and also use the steel before using your knife. Why should we sharpen our knives? Let me explain. Dull knives don't cut food. They tear it or squish it. And they're also much harder to use, which means you'll likely try to use more pressure, which will lead you to cutting yourself, which is no fun. And when you cut yourself with a dull knife, it tears up your skin just like it does the food. And tears don't heal well and are more likely to scar. So, if you cut yourself with a sharp knife, it'll be a nice clean cut and heal faster and likely without a scar. So the first thing you do when you're going to sharpen your knives is you're going to turn on your knife sharpener and pull the blade through each side on the grinding wheel, alternating sides about 10 times a side. Then you're going to repeat that process next on the honing wheel, and then finish the process on the finishing wheel. To test if your knife is sharp, slice a piece of paper. It should cut the paper and not tear it. If it isn't sharp, start the process over until it is. For proper knife care, be sure to wash them with hot soapy water and dry them as soon as possible after use, and put them directly into your knife block or storage device. Do not put your nice knives in the dishwasher. Why no dishwasher? Let me explain. Dishwashers heat up the dishes to sanitize them, and excessive heat can damage both the blade and the handle of your knife, and they can also bang into each other and other dishes, damaging the blade. So now that you've had a nice, clean, sharp knife, you can dice those tomatoes like nobody's business. Remember, a sharp knife is safer and also makes your cooking experience more enjoyable. I sure hope you found this video helpful and informative. Head on over to jaysplainsfood.com for the full recipe and ingredient amounts. And if you like what you see here, please subscribe to this channel and come back next week when I'll explain another one to you.